Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure coming to you once again from my kitchen, and today I'll be sharing with you a really delicious pie recipe. This recipe is really easy to make. It's super moist but yet crunchy. You are absolutely gonna love it. And if you want to find out how to make the most delicious pie, why not subscribe to my channel, like and share this video so you don't miss out on all my amazing content. And let's get straight into the video. So here are my ingredients to prepare this pie. I'm just gonna add cornstarch to flour, and then goes our sugar, salt and baking powder, and I'll mix really well. So I'm just gonna add butter and I'll mix it with my hand. So we'll be looking out to mix to a breadcrumb size. So you want to do this for like 5 minutes or so. You're just gonna rub in the butter with the flour like you see I'm doing, and we're just gonna add in our eggs. That's it. So guys, the secret ingredients to this amazing pie, it's cornstarch. So adding cornstarch will help give you a beautiful crunchy exterior in your pie. So you have to try this recipe and compare it to the typical recipe we have out there. You are absolutely gonna love it. I'm just gonna add some milk to just pull everything together. So guys, don't forget the measurement for this recipe is going to be in the description below. Please do check it out. And we're just going to form into a round smooth ball. And that's it. So guys, the consistency of this dough is a bit different from what the traditional meat pie or Nigerian meat pie dough things like. So it's not stretchy, it's a bit less wet than the typical dough we use back home in Nigeria. So this is just my own take. I always like to put a spin in what I'm doing, and that's why it's a bit different. So it's absolutely gorgeous. You will love it. The texture, it's amazing. So right now, these are the ingredients that will go in for the filling. In goes my chopped Irish potatoes, and now some butter. We will saute onion with it, and that's it. We have our chopped onion now, and I'll just cook that down for 5 minutes. In goes our beef chunks. So I'm using beef chunks, though well to use minced meat, and I'll just cook it down for 5 minutes, and I'll add in my Irish potatoes now. I'll also cook that down for another 2 to 3 minutes, and it's ready for seasoning. So in goes my garlic powder as well as black pepper, and the magic spice, and that's parsley. Guys, you must add parsley. It does something really amazing and you will absolutely love it. And I'm just gonna season with some seasoning cube and salt, and I'll mix that in. So I'm just gonna cook that down for 5 to 10 minutes, and we're just gonna puree the beef chunks, the cooked beef chunks. So if you're using minced meat, you know you will not have to do this step, but I thought I used beef chunks because it has a bit more flavor. And I'm just gonna puree that and send it back. But right now we're just gonna add milk. Yes guys, I always love to put a spin in whatever I do, so the milk takes the filling to another level. You must add milk, guys. It's really good. So it's that feeling that when you eat, you're like, okay, this is different. Yeah, it's the milk. It makes the whole difference. And I'll just add back my pureed beef, and I'll just mix that in, and it's pretty much ready. So I'm just gonna add some veggies just for the brightness, just to spice up the color. And that's it. It's ready, guys. It's ready. We're just gonna set that aside to cool down, and we'll go back to the dough. So this dough has been resting for like 45 minutes in the fridge. You just want to allow it to relax so it's easy to work with. And it's time to roll it out. You can see those cracks in it. It tells you it has less moisture, and you will have that crunchy exterior. So you don't want to have too much moisture in your dough. It makes it a bit stretchy. It just activates the gluten component of the flour. So that's why I added a little moisture, because we are looking for the crunchiness as well as it being moist. So yeah. So I'm just gonna prepare my pan by spraying with some cooking spray. So this is a pan for pie. I really love it, so yeah. And in goes the dough. I'm just gonna press it down to fit really well. This is a really important step. You need to press down the dough and ensure that it is like streamlined to the pan. That's it. So guys, I thought I'd put a spin once again, like I said, in this recipe. So that's why I'm using a tin for the dough. I'm also going to show you the traditional way of like the way we make our dough back home. And this is going to serve for like a fancy dinner, guys. I told you I'm going to blow your mind with really amazing recipes to bond family life. So yeah, so this is just going to be like a typical dinner pie. So watch out for the snack style Nigerian meat pie. Oh yeah, so I'm just gonna poke the bottom with my fork, so it's just gonna help it cook through, and also it will ensure that the dough relaxes while it bakes, so it's really good. So I'm just gonna do that for the couple of times I have, and that's it. It's filling time. It's just easy, guys. You just add in your filling and press it down so it doesn't overflow. I just added 2 tablespoons of the filling, and that's it. So it's time to put I call it the lid, pardon me. It's time to just cover the top of the filling with the dough again, and I'm just gonna cut in round circles. That's it. It's ready, guys. So I'm just gonna poke the dough with the fork to create a venue where the steam will be released during cooking, and that's it. I'll cover the rest of the pie with the dough. It's really easy. I hope you try this recipe, guys. It's sure to help bond family life. So this is gonna be a really fancy dinner. Trust me, guys, you will love it. It's time to glaze the pie with the egg. So this is just gonna give it that beautiful golden brown color. So I just used the egg yolk, just the yolk. It's just gonna give it a rich, beautiful golden color. So that's it. Really important for color. So we're just gonna do that, and it's ready for baking. It's ready. So guys, so this is the typical Nigerian pie. I'm gonna show you how I did mine. I just used a bowl I have in the kitchen. You don't need to buy a cutter. Whatever you have will do. So I just cut in around big circles, and that's it. It's ready to put in the filling. So you're just gonna put the filling to the side and flip it over, and that's it. It's easy, guys. I'm just going to seal it up with a fork just to create that beautiful appearance, and also to seal it so it doesn't open during cooking. And it's ready, guys. It's ready. I love the beautiful golden brown color. It's so gorgeous. Can you see the crunchy exterior? Oh my gosh, you had to try this recipe. Yeah, that's beautiful, guys. You can see it's so crunchy, but inside it's super moist. You will absolutely love it. That's it. So, and that's the pie, the single serving pie for your snack, your go-to snack. And you can see the marbling outside. It tells you it's really rich and buttery. Oh my gosh, you will love this. Can you see how moist the fillings are? I love the popping yellow color and the green as well. And it just breaks as you open it. No form of resistance. You can see that the gluten component of the flour was not activated, so it's a good thing. So right now I'm just going to show you how to prepare a really fancy dinner. I'm all about fancy dinner at home. You don't have to go out and spend all that money. You can get it at home for less and also healthy. So I'm just going to prepare some salad and I'll place the pie on top of the salad, and this is my magic drink, guys. Over time I will reveal the secrets components of that drink, so it does the magic for me. And it's time to see what's inside this pie. I'm just gonna cut through. You can see it's so crunchy but super moist inside. You can see that the pie just breaks as you touch it. It's a good thing. And that's it. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner, guys. Remember, a family that dines together make merry together. Bake with Chini is about easy. I make easy recipes customizable to your kitchen. I love you so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.